So big on Jeep rental. I'm going to show you how to just basically get this back window out of your way so you can get your luggage in and out. And as usual, I recommend just leaving the windows in place if you don't know what you're doing, because they're a huge pain in the butt to put back together, especially if it's raining or something like that. So first thing you do is open up the gate, and then we're going to gently just kind of peel the sides off of this a little bit there. And do it on both sides. What we're not going to do is yank on this fabric. The next step is this this tailgate bar here just pops into place. We're going to just give it a tug like that, and we'll just flip it up. Now you have access to everything in here. And to put it back together, sometimes this tailgate bar can slide around like that. So just kind of make sure it's centered in there before you go jamming it in and forcing it or anything. Line it up pretty good. Get that in there, and same thing with putting it back together. Tuck that in, and we'll come over here, tuck that in, get these guys in here. Hopefully that makes sense. Thanks.